How can we get this character to ride the slopes like this? To start, we are going to convert the center column of pixels in our moving landscape texture into a chop. This creates a channel of values that go from 1 to 0 at the border between the landscape and sky. Now we can use an analyze chop to find the index of the sample at this border. Now we'll normalize that value to the range of 0 to 1. This gives us the absolute height of the middle of the landscape. But if we animated our character with this, it'd be boring, smooth and predictable. Spring chop to the rescue. This operator wiggles the incoming value as if it were attached to a rubber band. It would be weird if our character swung right through the ground, so we use a limit chop to clamp the bottom value. Now our character can't go any lower than the height of the landscape. And now it's time to bring in our creature. Let's start spinning this guy. We're using a noise into a speed so that he's always rotating the same direction, but at varying speeds. Then we'll change his color over time. Why? Because it looks cool. Now let's fit him to the full canvas size. His Y position is what we calculated earlier. His X position is driven with a little bit of noise. And now we're going to give him a drop shadow with the old channel mix, blur and transform trick. And there he is, bouncing around and having a great time. Check out my page for part 1 where we created the infinite landscape.